It's Thursday, the 11th of November. I'm sure you're enjoying this month. IVPC is just a few days away, and I'm really excited about it. Now, do you know that the Rhapsody Realities is reaching billions of people all around the world? And Rhapsody speaks over 4,000 languages. I want you to become a partner today with the Rhapsody Realities. Just click on the link today and help someone else get to know the power of God through the Rhapsody of Realities. Now, it's important that you know that your body is your responsibility, and it's your responsibility to keep your body healthy. But God has also given you a way to ensure this. Who is living in your house? Do you know that your body is your house, and you have the power to decide if demons are going to express themselves through your body, or if the Holy Spirit will find expression through your body? Study these in today's Rhapsody Realities and ensure who is in your house. Have a great day. God bless you.